Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a video of painting a nath or mookuthi on a blouse sleeve in Tanjore style. Come on friends, let us get into the video. Firstly, I have marked my blouse sleeve and I secured the blouse on an embroidery frame. Then I keep my design in the center of the blouse sleeve and I start tracing the design onto my fabric using the carbon sheet. I use a tape to secure my design from not moving. The link for the design is available in the description below. If you wish, you can make use of it. Before removing the design paper from the fabric, always check whether you have completely traced down the design onto your fabric. Now I use white acrylic color to make a base layer for the painting. I usually make 2 coats of white base layer. This is because by making a white base layer, I can reduce the amount of other color paint I use. And secondly, the picture looks more vibrant when I make a white base layer. Now I choose chrome yellow to paint the outer stones. Now I use pearl metallic golden color to paint the inner metal areas. I choose crimson red color to paint the inner bigger stone area. Always remember to choose the brush size based upon the area where you have to paint. Now we use white acrylic color to show some highlights and lights in the stones. I use dark green color to show some shadows in the light green color area. Always remember to blend in the darker and lighter color. Never leave it as such. Trying to show some highlights in the yellow stone area using white acrylic color. Always make the highlights or shadows on the same side throughout the painting. The areas of the shadows or highlights always depends upon the light source. Here the light source is on the right, so the highlights is on the right side and the shadows is on the left side. Now I use pearl metallic gold 3D outliner to make outlines. Keep a base cloth handy to wipe the nozzle of the outliner here and there. After completing the outline works, I leave my fabric undisturbed for the outliner to dry. Then I use black acrylic color using a finer outliner brush to make the outlines. The outliner takes minimum of 5 to 6 hours to dry, but I recommend to leave the fabric undisturbed for a day. the design was so tiny, I chose to use a black fine tip permanent marker to make the outlines. It's up to you to use a acrylic color or a permanent marker to make the outlines. Now I thought of making some designs for the sleeve border using 3D outliner. I use green color half pasting stones. These stones will be available in the store where you can get tailoring and embroidery material. I always use back of the toothpick or back of the brush to pick and paste the stones. By touching a little of fevicol or a fabric glue on the back of the brush or toothpick, you can easily pick and paste the stones. To make these dots in similar sizes, I use a earbud. Gently rotate and pull the cotton on the earbud. By doing this, you can smoothly remove the cotton on the earbud completely. You can use the edges of the stick to make some beautiful similar sized dots. I have used chrome yellow to make these dots. Then I outline the dots using 3D outliner. I hope you like this process video. If you are new, kindly do support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. If you like this video, kindly do like and share this video with your friends of similar interest. As I didn't make any white base layer for the dots, the fabric absorbed most of my yellow color. So I redo the yellow dots. As I felt the border design to be very plain, I gently applied some yellow color on the flower dots. Do comment me about your thoughts on this video in the comment section. This is how it looks after completion. Thank you for watching the complete video.